Hello guys, in this short tutorial I'm gonna show you 3 ways to fix TikTok you are following too fast. First thing guys, or the first solution is open the settings and then go to the wireless and networks and then go to the first option, which is airplane mode. So all what you wanna do here is enable the airplane mode and then disable it. After this, go back and open the apps manager. This is the first solution and this is the second one. Second one is go to the apps and then wait a few seconds, and after you wait a few seconds, now all what you have to do is scroll until you find TikTok. Click on it, and now you have to click here on force stop to stop running the app in the background of your phone, and then click on storage, click on clear data, and that's it. The third solution and the last one is click on uninstall or remove TikTok from your phone and then reinstall it again. Don't forget to like, subscribe.